Today we're announcing a new $4.7 billion has been established for gender-based violence and frontline legal services through new agreements between the Commonwealth and the states and territories. This is on top of the already record funding that the Commonwealth has committed for women's safety and the work that states and territories are doing as well. This is on top of as well the billions of dollars that my government has committed for housing and support for single parents that we know will be of particular importance for women and children escaping domestic violence. We know that a nationally coordinated approach is required to address this national crisis. We must act to ensure women are safe. These horrific and disturbing deaths and vile violence must be prevented. Achieving this demands action and change at every level of government, but more than that, it also requires action from every part of our society. We focused on action in 4 areas: supporting the critical work of frontline services, turning our eyes on perpetrators to stop violence from escalating, providing more support for children and young people who've experienced violence, and tackling the impacts of alcohol on violence. We discussed the importance of access to legal assistance for Australians when they're in crisis, including when facing domestic, family and sexual violence. My government will invest a total of $3.9 billion over 5 years in support for frontline legal assistance services to be delivered through a new partnership agreement with the states and territories. Importantly, it will ensure as well that there's an uplift in pay parity for people working in community legal centres, which has been one of the issues that has been outstanding that will be addressed through this new agreement. The Commonwealth will also contribute $351 million towards a new 5-year national partnership agreement on family, domestic and sexual violence responses from July next year. That funding will be matched by the states and the territories.